Eating is a fundamental part of our lives. The choices we make about what we put into our bodies can have a significant impact on our overall health and well-being. While most of us are conscious of the quality and quantity of the food we consume, we often overlook the importance of food combinations. Some food pairings can lead to digestive problems, nutrient absorption issues, and even long-term health complications. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve deep into the foods you should not eat together, providing you with actionable insights to improve your dietary habits and enhance your overall health. Food combining is a concept rooted in ancient dietary practices, emphasizing the compatibility of different foods when consumed together. While it may sound like a complex dietary regimen, it is essentially about understanding how different foods interact within our digestive system. The goal is to optimize digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall health by avoiding certain food combinations that can cause adverse effects. The science behind food combining. Understanding digestion. Digestion is a complex process involving various enzymes and digestive juices. Different foods require different enzymes for proper digestion. For instance, proteins need acidic environments, while carbohydrates require alkaline conditions. When incompatible foods are eaten together, it can lead to incomplete digestion, fermentation, and the production of toxins. The role of enzymes. Enzymes play a crucial role in breaking down food into absorbable nutrients. However, certain food combinations can inhibit enzyme activity, leading to digestive discomfort and nutrient deficiencies. For example, combining proteins and starches can overload the digestive system, as both require different enzymes and pH levels for digestion. Common food combinations to avoid. 1. Protein and starch. Combining protein-rich foods like meat, fish, or eggs with starchy foods like bread, rice, or potatoes can be problematic. Proteins require an acidic environment for digestion, while starches need an alkaline environment. Consuming them together can lead to incomplete digestion, bloating, and discomfort. 2. Fruits with meals. Fruits are best consumed on an empty stomach or between meals. Eating fruits with other foods, especially proteins or starches, can slow down digestion and cause fermentation, leading to gas and bloating. 3. Dairy and fruit. While fruit and yogurt might seem like a healthy combination, dairy and fruit can cause digestive issues. Dairy products, particularly milk, require a different digestive process, and combining them with acidic fruits can lead to indigestion and fermentation. 4. Liquids with meals. Drinking large amounts of water or other liquids during meals can dilute digestive enzymes and stomach acids, impairing digestion. It's best to drink water 30 minutes before or after a meal to avoid disrupting the digestive process. 5. Fats and proteins. High-fat foods can slow down the digestion of proteins. Combining foods like bacon and eggs or cheese and meat can lead to prolonged digestion times and digestive discomfort. The impact of poor food combining on health. Digestive issues. Poor food combining can lead to various digestive problems, including bloating, gas, indigestion, and constipation. When food isn't properly digested, it can ferment in the gut, producing gas and toxins. Nutrient absorption. Incompatible food combinations can impair the absorption of essential nutrients. For example, consuming calcium-rich foods with iron-rich foods can inhibit the absorption of both minerals, leading to deficiencies over time. Long-term health complications. Chronic poor food combining can contribute to long-term health issues such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, leaky gut syndrome, and even metabolic disorders. It can also weaken the immune system, making the body more susceptible to infections and diseases. Tips for better food combining. 1. Eat simple meals. Simplifying your meals can help improve digestion. Focus on 1 or 2 food groups per meal to avoid overwhelming your digestive system. 2. Follow the 80-20 rule. Aim to follow proper food combining principles 80% of the time. Occasional deviations are okay, as long as they don't become a regular habit. 3. Incorporate digestive enzymes. Taking digestive enzymes can help break down complex food combinations, reducing the risk of digestive discomfort. 4. Listen to your body. Everyone's digestive system is unique. Pay attention to how different food combinations make you feel and adjust your diet accordingly.
5. Stay hydrated.
Drink plenty of water throughout the day, but avoid consuming large amounts during meals.
Proper hydration supports overall digestive health. Breakfast. Fruit smoothie bowl. Blend your favorite fruits with a splash of almond milk. Top with nuts and seeds for added texture and nutrition. Avocado toast. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast. Sprinkle with chia seeds and a drizzle of olive oil. Lunch. Quinoa salad. Mix cooked quinoa with fresh vegetables, herbs, and a light vinaigrette.
Add a handful of nuts for extra protein.
Vegetable stir-fry. Sauté a variety of colorful vegetables with tofu or tempeh. Serve over brown rice or cauliflower rice. Dinner. Grilled salmon and asparagus. Season salmon fillets and grill alongside asparagus spears. Serve with a side of quinoa or sweet potatoes. Lentil soup. Simmer lentils with vegetables, herbs, and spices for a hearty and nutritious meal.
Conclusion.
Understanding and implementing proper food combining principles can significantly improve your digestive health and overall well-being.
By avoiding incompatible food combinations, you can enhance nutrient absorption, reduce digestive discomfort, and promote long-term health. Start making small changes today and experience the benefits of better food combining. Remember, the key to optimal health lies in the choices we make every day. By being mindful of what we eat and how we combine our foods, we can pave the way for a healthier, happier life.
Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe.